Hold on tight, because we're about to dive into the world of renewable energy, a sector that's not just growing, but booming at an unprecedented rate. And at the forefront of this green revolution is a company that's leading the charge, Adani Green. This isn't just another stock tip. It's your chance to be a part of a global shift towards a sustainable future. Imagine being part of something bigger, something that will shape the world for generations to come. And trust me, the potential gains are massive. We're talking about a company that's not just growing, but scaling new heights every day. Imagine a world powered by the sun and wind, where fossil fuels are a thing of the past. Now, stop imagining and open your eyes to Adani Green. This isn't a distant dream, it's happening right now. This company is making that vision a reality, and they're doing it at a scale that's turning heads across the globe. From massive solar farms to expansive wind projects, Adani Green is setting new benchmarks. This isn't about jumping on a trend, it's about understanding the seismic shift happening in how we power our world. Renewable energy is not just the future, it's the present. Adani Green is at the forefront of this revolution, and their stock is your ticket to ride this wave of green growth. Their innovative projects and strategic vision are paving the way for a cleaner, greener planet. Get ready to discover why Adani Green is more than just a company. It's the future of energy, and it's about to explode. This is your chance to be part of something monumental, something that will change the way we live and power our lives. Let's cut to the chase. Adani Green isn't just dipping their toes in the renewable energy pool, they're diving in headfirst. They're one of the largest renewable energy companies in India, and they're on a mission to become a global powerhouse. We're talking about massive solar farms soaking up the sun's energy and wind farms harnessing the power of the wind. Adani Green is building these projects at an incredible pace, and they're not slowing down anytime soon. Think about it. The world is moving away from dirty fossil fuels, and Adani Green is positioned perfectly to capitalize on this transition. They're not just keeping up with the demand for clean energy, they're setting the pace. Here's where it gets interesting. The Indian government has set ambitious goals to become a global leader in renewable energy. They're putting their money where their mouth is, with policies and incentives designed to attract investment and accelerate growth in this sector. Adani Green is a major beneficiary of this government support. They're securing prime land for their projects, benefiting from tax breaks, and forming strategic partnerships. This level of backing provides a massive advantage and cements Adani Green's position as a key player in India's renewable energy revolution. This isn't just about government handouts, it's about recognizing the immense potential of renewable energy. The government sees Adani Green as a key partner in achieving their clean energy goals, and that's a powerful position to be in. Now, let's talk numbers, because at the end of the day, that's what matters in the stock market. Adani Green isn't just a feel-good story, it's a financially sound company with a rock-solid foundation. They have a strong balance sheet, impressive revenue growth, and a clear path to profitability. But here's the kicker. They've locked in long-term power purchase agreements with government entities and corporations. This means they have a guaranteed stream of revenue for years to come, which is music to any investor's ears. In simple terms, Adani Green has a solid business model that's built for the long haul. They're not just chasing short-term profits. They're building a sustainable business that will continue to generate value for years to come. Section 5. The world goes green. India's renewable energy revolution and Adani's role. Let's zoom out for a second and look at the bigger picture. The Earth, our home, is facing unprecedented environmental challenges. The world is waking up to the urgency of climate change, and countries are scrambling to reduce their carbon footprint. From melting ice caps to rising sea levels, the signs are everywhere. India, with its massive population and energy demands, is leading the charge. The country is harnessing its abundant natural resources to transition to a greener future. They've set ambitious targets to generate a significant portion of their energy from renewable sources by 2030. This includes solar, wind, and other sustainable energy forms. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's a necessity, and Adani Green is at the forefront of making it a reality. Their projects span across the country, bringing clean energy to millions. This global shift towards clean energy is a massive opportunity, and Adani Green is positioned perfectly to capitalize on it. Investors are taking note, and the market is responding positively. They're not just riding the wave, they're driving it, and that's what makes them so exciting. Adani Green's initiatives are setting a benchmark for others to follow, proving that sustainable energy is not just viable, but essential for our future. Section 6. Charting the future. Technical signals pointing to an Adani Green breakout. Now, let's get technical for a moment. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. When you look at Adani Green's stock chart, you see a story of upward momentum. The stock has been on a tear recently, and all signs point to continued growth. We're talking about strong trading volume, bullish moving averages, and a pattern of higher highs and higher lows. These technical indicators suggest that the market is optimistic about Adani Green's future, and a major breakout could be on the horizon. Of course, past performance is not indicative of future results, but the technical picture is undeniably bullish. This isn't just a gut feeling, it's based on hard data and market analysis. Section 7. Beyond Borders. Adani Green's global ambitions and your ticket to growth. Here's the thing about Adani Green. They're not content with just dominating the Indian market. They have their sights set on global expansion, and they're already making moves. They're acquiring projects and forming partnerships in key markets around the world. This strategic expansion will not only diversify their revenue streams, but also solidify their position as a global leader in renewable energy. This is where it gets really exciting for investors. As Adani Green expands globally, their growth potential skyrockets. They're tapping into new markets, securing new contracts, and building a truly global renewable energy empire. Section 8. The Rs is 21,000 play. Why Adani Green is your next big stock market winner. Let's bring it all together. Adani Green is a dominant player in the rapidly growing renewable energy sector. With the world increasingly shifting towards sustainable energy solutions, companies like Adani Green are at the forefront of this transformation. They have strong government backing, solid financials, and a clear vision for the future. The support from the government ensures a stable regulatory environment, which is crucial for long-term growth. Their stock is technically sound, and their global expansion plans are set to unlock massive growth. Adani Green is not just focusing on the domestic market, but is also making strategic moves internationally, which could lead to exponential growth. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't investment advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. But I'm a big believer in aligning your investments with your values. Investing in companies that are making a positive impact on the world can be both financially rewarding and personally fulfilling. Investing in Adani Green isn't just about making money. It's about being a part of something bigger. It's about contributing to a sustainable future and supporting a company that is making a real difference. So, if you're looking for a stock with massive potential that's also good for the planet, look no further than Adani Green. This company is uniquely positioned to benefit from the global shift towards renewable energy. This is your chance to be a part of the green revolution and potentially profit from one of the most significant growth stories of our time. Remember that number, Rs 21,000. This target price is not just a random figure. It's based on thorough analysis and future projections. That's the target price many analysts are predicting for Adani Green in the near future. With their current trajectory, reaching this milestone seems highly achievable. The time to act is now. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in a company that is not only poised for significant financial growth, but is also contributing to a better, greener world.